Hello. We wish you a warm welcome to the new exhibition in the Visitor Center of Juego de Bolas. Come along. In the garden are new interpretive panels where hundreds of living plants from the Canary Islands and Micronesia are found, as well as the largest representation ever put together of endemic species that are native to La Gomera. This is the only place in the world where you can see them. The new center includes 3 new rooms of discovery. Delve into the uniqueness and beauty of the Canary Islands and Micronesia. Become a part of it. Discover La Gomera, the extravagant geology, the climate, the nature that abounds in a variety of different landscapes. Imbue yourself with the island. Connect and feel the quiet dignity of the ancient laurel forest of the National Park of Garajonay that seems to stand outside of time.